Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make an easy and simple Bible cake. To make this Bible cake, I have taken 2 square 8 inches cake. I am going to cut the sides of this cake to make it look like a book. You can bake one rectangular cake if you want. If you have a large oven, then you can bake one single rectangular cake. But my oven is a little small, so I have baked 2 square cakes and I'm going to put it together to make it look like a book. You can choose any flavored cake that you want. I have chosen chocolate flavor. You can use vanilla cakes also. Once you cut the sides of this cake itself, it starts to look like a book now. And instead of pasting the cut slices, I am going to place it at the bottom of the cake to make it look more like a notebook, and also I don't want to waste these cut slices. So I have put it like this. Once you cut off the excess, you can see that it starts to look like a book now. To frost this cake, I am using whipping cream. I have taken 2 cups of whipping cream and whip it till stiff peaks. If you don't want to use whipping cream, you can use buttercream also. To soak the cake, we'll make some sugar syrup. For this, I have taken 1/4 cup of sugar and add 1/2 cup of water to this. To make it more flavorful, I am adding a 1/4 teaspoon of coffee powder to it. Mix it well and then heat it up in a microwave or a saucepan for about 20 seconds till the sugar dissolves. Now we can start to frost the cake. I've cut the entire cake in half. Remove the top part of this cake completely and then we can start to soak this cake. Once you remove the top part, soak the bottom layer of the cake with the sugar syrup that we prepared. Soak nicely. This is a very soft and moist chocolate cake. If you want the recipe for this cake, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check that out. And then place dollops of whipping cream on the bottom layer of the cake and spread it well. Place a nice thick layer of cream and spread it nicely. Then place the top layer of the cake on top of this whipping cream. Now I am going to trim the cake here and there to make it look like an open notebook. You don't have to cut a lot of the cake, just trim it in the middle and along the sides of the cake so that it looks like an open notebook. Then soak the top layer of the cake with the sugar syrup. Now we'll start to frost the cake completely. Take the whipped cream and start piping all over the cake. Try to make it as smooth as possible. I am not a professional baker. I am just a home baker. I baked this cake for my family, so it was not perfect, but still it's okay. My family enjoyed it and I enjoyed making it. make the sides of the cake look like pages, use a bench scraper like this and just go all around the cake, and the corners will look like open pages. To smooth out the top, I used an OHP sheet. I cut the OHP sheet in half and I just smoothed it using it. It's very easy to do it like this. With the remaining whipping cream, color it whichever color you want to use. Use those colors. I used brown color to give a border for this cake. And then to write something on the cake, you can write a verse from the Bible. But I'm not very good in writing on the cake, so I did not want to write a big verse. I just wrote Jesus loves you on one side of the page, and then I drew a cross on the other side of the page. If you're not very confident like me about writing on the cake, you can just do an outline like this and then pipe on top of the outline. This is much easier. Instead of this cross on the other side, you can just write one verse from the Bible all throughout the cake. Then again, tint the whipping cream with any color that you want and start piping the letters and the cross. For the cross, I used a small star nozzle. To do the bookmark on the Bible, take a satin ribbon, cut it to the correct length and just place it in the middle and press it, and you'll get a nice bookmark. Use any colored satin ribbon that you have at home. For the borders, you can do any kind of decorations. I just placed small flowers all around the cake. You can do any decoration that you like. So this is it. This is my simple and easy Bible cake without any fondant. We've made it just with whipping cream. It's a very easy cake to make. Similarly, you can make any book cake that you want. Using the same basics, you can make any book cake of your choice. If there is a special celebration in your home, then you can make a Bible cake like this. It's very easy and very simple. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.